Anytime you say Krishna, after that, this bhavana comes out. Shantava, Shantarasa, Shanta bhavana, that God is great, Krishna is great, Nama is great, Nama is on my tongue. That becomes a truth feeling, a Shraddha inside us. So therefore, you have to understand that all this, there is a process. You have to be a little patient. If Shraddha is not coming in your background that Krishna is on my tongue during japa, don't force yourself. Because you have to trigger that. If it is already there in the heart, you trigger it. Otherwise, just do normal mindful chanting. Chanting, come hearing, chanting, just do that. And parallelly do homework. What is the homework? Do the cooking. So therefore, during this training time, if each of these items, in case little contemplation happens during japa, don't worry about it, but try to avoid it. If you make that into an habit, then you will lose track of chanting, come hearing, and you in the background that will be going on, and here you will be philosophizing about the holy name. You are losing. No doubt. You're getting, you see, eating time you are cooking, that's all. But japa means eating time, not cooking time. Now, hearing these video sessions is nothing but contemplation and reflection. That is the reason tomorrow you will be able to chant little better. Because contemplation and reflection from outside goes into a consciousness, a short-term memory, then it settles down into subconscious mind. For short-term memory, it remains there for some time. For 24 hours it may remain. So today's session, like many people are saying, many requests I got, Prabhuji, no, every day you should have session, every day you should have session. Because they felt every day that chanting is much better after hearing me. Because naturally 24 hours, this what I say will remain in your background. But more than that, it has to get into your long-term memory, and then it has to get loaded at the time of japa. It is so much kindness of the Supreme Lord, that He wants to associate with you. So you should receive Him. What? The Supreme Lord, He's wanting to associate with me. And Prabhupada said, therefore you should receive Him. These are all big secrets revealed. How and why and all you don't try to, why God should want to give me association. He says, wants to associate with you. God wants to associate with you. You have to take this statement from because we don't understand God's mind. But it is truth. Now you have to work backwards. If God wants to associate with me, that means, I am part and parcel of Him. He cannot forget me. I may forget Him, He cannot forget me. This is a revelation of God's mind by the pure devotees. If you hear this, then how can you be inattentive? God wants to come and associate this. So like that you have to hear this. This quote you should hear about 100 times, contemplate on it, contemplate the way I am saying, you contemplate, hey, convert it into feelings, cook it with feelings, make it into a bhavana, And then, what does Prabhupada say? You should receive Him.